In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensors in this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located on the top part of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to move this baffle. There's a hose right here. Let's pop that out of that clip. There's a grommet right here. Pull up there. And then right here, there's a grommet. Just pull up. There you go. There's two hoses. There's a hose right here, and then the boot over here. I'm going to take some hose clamp pliers, remove it from the boot first. Squeeze that hose clamp, pull that off, and pull the clamp off. And the hose right here. You're going to pull the hose clamp right there, down there. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers, squeeze this clamp. Slide that up, grab the hose, and pull that right up. The camshaft position sensors are located right here. There's two of them. This is the intake, this is the exhaust. We're going to show you how to do the exhaust because it's a little trickier to get to, but the procedure is going to be the same. We're going to remove this wiring harness. There's some retainers right here. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers, squeeze that, and this one too. Just squeeze it. It pulls out. It gives you a little bit of slack with the wiring harness. I'll disconnect the connector. You just push down on the tab, slide it off. If you're having a little bit of struggle, you can use some pliers to try to push that down. And we can access that bolt. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Grab the sensor, wiggle it back and forth a little bit, and just pull it up, and it comes right out. And you can take a rag, just clean out the hole a little bit. If there's any corrosion on there, that looks pretty good. And take the sensor, you put a little dielectric grease on the O-ring or O-ring grease, slide that in. And take the bolt, get that started. And we'll torque that to 62 inch-pounds. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. You can do the same for the other one. Take the wiring harness, get this lined up, lock it in place. Get this in position. Using the hose clamp pliers, just loosen this up, we'll put the baffle, get that started in place, make sure it's all the way on, release the clamp, take the tube, get that tube positioned, push that down, using needle nose pliers, move that clamp, that's in place, we get the pins lined up with the grommets. Push it down in this hose, push that in the retainer.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.